As all of you know by now, I'm sure, I don't know how you couldn't know, we like to do country things. One of those things is night fishing. Night fishing is the bomb. It's amazing. It's fun. It's fun.
And you're pretty good at it.
And we're both pretty good at it. It's about 10:30 p.m. right now. We are about halfway to our destination, little over halfway to our destination. Tonight we are fishing for brown trout and rainbow trout. Night fishing's pretty cool. It's fairly fun. We usually stay out till anywhere from 2 to 5, depending on our luck.
It's a full moon.
It's a full moon tonight, so we can actually see out pretty good. You can see this right here. You can see the road. It's pretty bright outside. So we made it to our destination. We just drank our 5-hour energy drinks.
We're good to go.
We're all raring to go. So I'll show you these lures. So this is the one my husband's using. This is the one I'm using. This one is untried. We've not used this one before, so we'll see if we can have any luck fishing. It's about 52 degrees out here, which is really good for April. Well, let's go do some fishing. Oh, he's clear over here. He's pretty though.
He's a little pretty guy.
There's the first fish of the night. He's so pretty. Okay, so we are going to switch lures just to try our luck. I'm going to try this guy right here, the fire tiger. Which one are you going to try, this one?
Yeah, I'm going to try this one. It dives a little more. So I don't like using it here, but I'm in a deep spot. So I'll use it just for a few casts, see what happens.
I got 2 bites on this guy just now. But thought we'd switch things up a little bit.
I'd say it's about a 17-inch fish.
Second fish of the night. Cool old rainbow. I just caught this one on that fire tiger.
It's not legal to keep, so we're going to get a picture and let her go.
I caught him on the fire tiger again. It's after 2 o'clock. He's pretty. It's nice pretty brown.
I'm getting back in the water.
He's about 16 inches, so close to the other one, but he's a pretty color. So we just let him go. As I said, it's after 2 o'clock, and so we're finally seeing some action. Sometimes they'll bite at like 11:30, sometimes they'll bite at 2, sometimes we don't see bites till 4, so.
Yep, it changes every time, I feel like.
Changes every time. Again, that was on that fire tiger right there.
Let's get some more.
Let's go get some more fish. So Blake just got a fish and it broke his line. So he was a big fish.
He's big.
We have a secret spot. It's the secret hole, and we've caught the biggest fish there.
I made like 6 last casts there. And then boom.
So if he broke your line, how big did you think he was?
I don't know. It's hard to say. He was over in those rapids. Sometimes it could even just been a rock. You never know. But he was pretty big, so.
And that was the brown?
That was the brown trout, was it? Well, put that one on, keep trying.
So, I just caught fish number 3 for me. It's after 4 o'clock in the morning, and there's a nice little rainbow. Number 4 for me. He's just a small fry.
Hello.
He's cute. This is just, what, a minute after the last one?
Yeah, right after.
Right after. And let this little guy go. think I just got the sign that I'm done for tonight. I was fishing and I was by the water and I got my fire tire up on the bank and then it just fell to the ground, luckily not in the water, and that was unattached. So there's my sign that it's probably time to go home and go to bed because, let's see here, what time is it? It's almost 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm pretty beat, pretty tired. So, we're headed home. It's about 5 o'clock. It's 46 degrees outside, so that's not too bad. So, in the end, I caught 4 fish, 1 brown, 3 rainbows. Blake caught 1 brown, and what was the other one?
Rainbow.
And a rainbow.
You outfished me.
I
You
outfished.
got double the fish.
I outfished
Your
him.
fish were bigger.
And my fish were bigger. We didn't really start seeing any action until about 1:30, and after that it was
Just here and there.
just, yeah, here and there.
I know I missed some big fish.
Blake missed
Kind of
the fish.
disappointed about that.
Broke his line.
That was weird.
That was kind of weird. I'm really tired.